On the way back home to me, para kay Boss Roy and friends.
Yeah.
Dahil siya may isa pa silang request. Kantayin mo daw yun. Dangerous.
Sayawan to.
Oo, sasayawan sila madam. Ano ba ito siya? Yes, once again, palakpakan ko! Right now! Ang diva ng Malate.
You take control, you move into my heart and into my soul. Get out my way, get out my side. I won't be walking the times to get through the night. Hey, what's the word? What's your name? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold me tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got what it takes to make sense me. The eyes of a lover that look like me. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Whoa. You turn around, so hard to try. You have the hand in the halo. Your mouth is alive. Get out my way, get out my side. I'm not attracted to go deeper tonight. Hey, what's your word? What's your name? I know your business, but I don't know your name. Hold on tight, you know she's a little bit dangerous. She's got the what it takes to make sense me. The eyes of a lover that look like me. You know she's a little bit dangerous. Whoa, just a little bit dangerous.
Yes. Kantahan mo na natin. Tapos na yung request, Boss Roy. Tapos na po yung request.
Tapos na po.
Maniningil na po kami.
Yes.
Dahil joke lang. Ano pa? Girls, you wanna have fun? Kantahin mo. Yes, hello. Gusto mo sumahan mo kami?
Samahan mo kami.
Tayo. Hindi kasi kinakanta na yun.
Konti lang.
Yung size. Tatlo tayo ulit. Gawin ka, madam. Wanna have fun. Oh, girl, just wanna have fun. Yo, sumama si Rhina. DJ, Mike sa Japper. Palakpakan niyo naman si madam. Boses ni ate. Si madam, ayaw naman nila yung daw. Mami, hindi ka dali. May kasama yung ayoy. Siya na lang hindi pa kumakanta no. Enjoy ko yung gabi, madam. They wanna have fun. Patayin na natin yung hype na yan. Baka mawala pa kami ng trabaho dyan. Ito na lang yung kabisada mo, ma'am. Yung masabi mo kabisada nila. Oh, mamaya magpalit ka rin ng diaper. Puno na yung diaper mo. Puro ano na yan. Puro ihi na yan. Palakpakan!
Wala man silang pagalitan.
Since nothing else changes, we're not to be strangers. Wondering if the old stay or down on the door. Just once, can we figure out what we did doing wrong? Why we never asked for very long?
Happy anniversary!
What we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to smile and make it right?
Lulobat na pala.
Oh, to make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could